Okay, guys, so I thought I would do one more song today, and I chose a John Prine song to do in remembrance of him since he passed away a couple of days ago. My favorite John Prine song is Speed of the Sound of Loneliness, and my favorite version is the Nancy Griffith version, so that's the one I'm going to do today. Come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. Well, come sit with me then. Come around this way. What in the world's come over you? Come on. What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Do you want to sit with me, buddy? I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. Well, how can a love that will last forever get left so far behind? So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Alright, so y'all are hearing Audrey play over there, and I'm just gonna let it happen because I can't stop that, so that's the background noise. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. It's crossed the evil line today. Well, how can you ask about tomorrow when you ain't got one word to say? Audrey. It's come over you. What in heaven's name have you done? Just killing the dog. You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Running just to be on the run. Audrey, stop. So what in the world's come over you? Sorry, I'm losing my... What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.